Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Hachwa bangan sedang ye ke main video ngakwa ban ong ye pi sneu ba saya komen kumno kejat translation bapi kwa bangan ai to menta hakane ka video ngakwa ban ai ye pi ya ki translation ki bayadai bat ki mrad ki animals. Animals is a living creature that present on earth. Kimrad kidei kijat jimtau baim badon hasla kandeu. Which animals dies after giving birth to a baby? Kamrad ayu balayam haden baladeb ka yalaikun. A fish is an animal that lives in water. Kidoka kidei kimrad baim hapoum. Lion is an animal that eats flesh on the other animals. Kising kidei kimrad babam da kido jongiwei but kimrad. Snake cannot hear, but they can feel vibration through the ground. Kipseng kim yo sneo henrei kisngau tho da ka jingtet lang ba ka kandeu. Some animals get food only by eating plants. Don kimran ki yo jingbam tang da ka babam ya ki jingtong. Animals need shelter to live. Kimrad kidon kam jakare banim. Omnivores are the animal that eat both plants and animals. Omnivores kidei kimrad kibabam baro kijingtung but kimrad. A group of elephants are called a herd. Kakunhun jongki hati lakon herd. Lion and many other animals have long, sharp frontage. Kising bat bon ki weipat ki janbran ki don kam bniat bajrong bat benep. Animals move to find food and water, and they move to escape danger. Kimran ki lej ban wat jingbam bat ka bat ki mare ban lajim na ki jingma. Some animals live in water for all its lifetime, and some live both land and water. Don katu kan ne kimrad baim apo ha paro chilenter ka jingim, but don ro ki baim harengkeu but hapo ro. Many bird species prey on flying insects. Bon kijai sim kibam dagi kenyang kibaher. Fish blue whale is the biggest animal in the world, and the elephant is the biggest on land. Kadoka blue whale kadei kamrad kibahe tam ha kapertei bat kahati kadei kamrad kibahe tam harengkeu. Birds lay egg to reproduce. Kisim kipedem peleng ban ka khon. The continent which is known as the land of kangaroo is Australia. Kadeu ba kabalatip kum ka kandeu jong kimrat kangaroo kadei ka Australia. Cheetah is the fastest animal on land. Ka cheetah kadei kamrat bakaloi tam harengkeu. Ostrich is a bird which lays more than 100 eggs in one nest. Ka ostrich kadei kasim kabapadem palatis paatli ki peleng ha kawai kaskum. How many legs does a butterfly have? Katno tylli ki pung kejat ba ka thabalieh ka don. Name an animal without wings. Ai kerteng ya kejat mrad ki bom don thabanieh. Which animals give both milk and meat? Kamrad ayu kaba ai baro ar kadud bat kado. How many years can ikan live up to? Hado Katno's name bakamio kala ban im. Which animal dies after drinking water? Kamrad ayu kaba yap haden baladem di Which animal can rotate its head? Kamrad ayu kabala ban penpai tawir yala kakale. Why birds fly to the west during winter? Balay kisim ki hair chaliang semgi hakapor telang. Which animals have you seen in real life and where do you see them? Kimrad ayu ba piju yo I hakajingim but hangno pi yo I yaki. Which animals are endangered? How can we save them? Kimrad ayu ba don hakajingma kumno ngila ban penlaj im yaki. Which animal are you most afraid? Kamrad ayu ba piteng palat. Some people hunt animal for fun. Do you like this? Don gibriu kibabe mrad tang ban brongya. Pis ngautenat yagane. What is the strangest animals you have ever eaten? Kamrad pla ayu kabapi jubam. Have you ever visited a farm? Which animals do you see? Piju like me yakajaka rijingri. Kamrad ayu bapiyoi. How often do you go to the zoo? Hado Katno sen piju like chakajaka rimran. Which wild animal is the most dangerous? Kamrad khlaw ayu kabadon jingma palat. Should a dog sleep in a house or in the garden? Kikseu kidai bantia hayeng neakter. Name 5 animals that live in water. Ai kerteng san tylli kimran ba im hapo. What was your first pet and how did you get it? Ka ei kamrad ei ba phiri nongkong kumno piyo yaka. Toperlog minta ka video kalakun ngin saya kendo biang hakawaipat ka video saya komen mo ladadon kijing bakala sngawha mam kublashibon.